Now this year, the wonderful thing in that family allow a park 250 cars in a park. So the nuisance has an cost is 0 now. Only open up at that place before 12 o'clock. Get Weber Park motor. I will 6 wardens that will guide them for park motor for former, so we can maximize the way the space. So that will now remove all this pepper soup and the muddy jerina and no different parts because 250 cars park, yeah. If all the that food will not spread to that place. Motor move or the easier to clean that place. Now the area hanyalani to contain us, got contain very, very well. And the cleaners bido cleaning. I get a reduced radius of place to clean. So we believe that the 10 cleaners may on the day, the second 10 cleaners at 6 o'clock on Sunday morning will then be able to tidy the park. And don't well then as a friends of the park. I for canopy this year. Faga not there on the day to make sure Nyakwana supervise yani can make sure that the park and I happily as clean as we got it maka next year. This year I will 18 traditional rulers that are coming in. As God will have it, the letter of invitation I there is a lot of them, the embassy honored it this year because they've known us for years, the sort of caliber of people I may invite. From the home office, most of them got their visas. They are coming in, 18 of them. Onwere ebe ijere na halo nyaafo mmọnwụ niile ifuru ebe afọ ga-abịa na IFAC. Nnewi na-abịa, Aro ndị Izuọgụ na-abịa, Ozuakọlị na-abịa. Kedu ndị m ga-akpọrọ afọ ndị ọzọ? Ịghọtago the cultural communities. Ogidi na-abịa, Ọkịja na-abịa. Ịghọtago Anambra na-abịa. That is Abia na-abịa. So if you check here, if I got for this year with the normal thing, I know for the Coventry na-abịa with egwu ha and the mananda bata ogbechi. The normal thing I got for no mmọnwụ nigade. I want a lot of people with different ndiga rock and ndiga CG, ndiga everything. Chief Nwaki Bia's department has done wonderfully well. And this year, the response I went from caterers, they were much. We raised some funds from them to be able to augment the council, Nachakwa security, medical team. Chineke medical team has done very well. Even this year, Hasi and I get defilate or organic about the medical term. But in case of the Kamada Dana Park, he had a Jew resuscitate the person. I say, I wapo kaije zoya. One lady, but I say no. Nega zoya. Butera and IFAC, MH IFAC, Yebuli here now beer that everybody needs it. So you can see that Nandeba in Nyaka. The canopies, I get receive Oche every 7 o'clock or toto. So I am one of facilitators. Ghana by 6 in the morning. I got on at the hotel on Edmonton. So 6 or toto. I need now go I receive all the chairs. I hear video chair distribution and the canopy video set up their canopy. So only bulo choje na canopy tinia. The sound system people will come. I get one of the best sound this year. Obona fenya sound. Fagenya chukwa mego anyo. Fagenya reform. But with the quality of recommendation Enfield Council nyelani and nafe mego something, we expect the best of sound. Willing one nega no ebafu. Piakasia the whole place. We have a group from Leeds coming to perform on the day. And with a lady Nakukwegu with flavor, she's going to be there on the day just to sample the song Yana Flavor Mer before Flavors event. So we are going to have back to back. Manambosia $5 kwado. I IFAC, the whole facilitators got up on Sunday. I make sure at the park they as clean as any by the grace of God. Maybe next year, as a quanya, no neighbor, no number of former. Obviously, Hina, your Chineken, Gonyala, Kakainwe, a permanent place. I got a medicine event every year. And I Chuan, I park Nandi Bujip, na Rolls Royce packages, because if I did the quick all this quick annual Makana moto ni nea forever, and Bosia Haman and Doji na board the motor. I want to motor man from a Ferrari. Amaram Nandebani Nemesi Fike Juru. Spencer Makunindi ambassador. Amame Bono Nazumoto Nkono. wepụta na ego niile unu ji azụ moto ka anyị were na-emenụ mana oji ụgbọ unu bi unu niile bụ bịa mbọsị ahụ Chineke nna ataghị m ndị ọcha si data ha chụọ anyị ọsọ.
Thank you very much.
Hey! Ndị be anyị ga-anụ ntị o! Ogini na-eme? Ụmụnna, ogini na-eme? The Ikoro has sounded ndị eze na ndị igwe, ndị ichie na ndị nze na ọzọ, ụmụada Igbo, ụmụ okoro na agbọ, ụmụ ọkpụ has been informed. Libation has been poured to our great ancestors as the Congress of Igbo Leaders UK presents the Night Festival of Arts and Culture, IFAC 2024. Date 13th of July 2024. Time 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Venue Pims Park, Victoria Road, Enfield, London, N182U. This year's festival promises to be the best. We shall display the rich, prestigious culture and tradition of Igbo people, dance and drama, masquerade display, traditional wrestling, display of cultural artifacts. Aina bokundi Igbo nile, ndi enyi ndi Igbo, kunopụta n'ụbọchị Igbo na UK. Onyano ya karibe ya. Congress of Igbo Leaders UK promoting Igbo culture and tradition in splendor. IFAC 2024. Dalwano.